Are you looking for the best budget 3D printers? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to dive into the top 5 budget-friendly 3D printers that give you the most bang for your buck. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started with 3D printing or an experienced user seeking a great deal, these printers deliver high-quality prints without breaking the bank. Before we get started, we've included links to each printer in the description below, so make sure to check those out to find the one that fits your budget. Let's get into it. Number 1. Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra 9K. Attractive price tags and a large user community brought Elegoo Mars series printers into the league of the top best-selling machines for a few consecutive years. Andrew Sink printed various models using his Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. He showcased his original design, a 3D scan from the Rodin sculpture, a dragon model by Luby 3D, and other models. Read the review article, complete with many images of the prints. The Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra has a list of features that would have seemed like a moonshot wish list only a few years ago, yet it remains affordable and accessible to beginners. Automatic build platform calibration, resin level detection, integrated print monitoring via webcam, 18-micron XY pixel size, and other features all give the Mars 5 Ultra a competitive edge over the competition. The sub-$300 price point makes this an easy purchase to justify for beginners and power users alike, and the performance of the Mars 5 Ultra puts it at the top of the list of the best desktop resin 3D printers. Number 2. Creality Halot One Pro. The Creality Halot One has gained recognition as an affordable and user-friendly resin 3D printer aimed at hobbyists. It features a 2K monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 1620 by 2560 pixels, which delivers precise details for small and medium-sized models. While its build volume of 130 by 82 by 160 mm is modest, it is suitable for most hobbyist projects, and the printer excels in producing highly detailed miniatures and intricate models. One of the standout features is its ease of use, including Wi-Fi connectivity for remote monitoring via the Creality Cloud app and a 5-inch color touchscreen that makes the interface intuitive. The Halot One also comes with Creality's Hallet Box Slicer, although it lacks some features found in other slicers like Chi2 Box. In terms of print quality, the Halot One generally performs well, with test prints such as miniatures and models showing good detail, though some small models can reveal limitations in resolution. The printer is also noted for its quiet operation and a unique light source with 80% uniformity, contributing to consistent print results. Overall, the Halot One is a strong competitor in the budget resin printer market, providing excellent value for its price range. However, occasional print failures and the lack of support for certain slicing software may be points to consider if you're looking for more advanced capabilities. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono M5S. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5S is an impressive 3D printer, especially for both beginners and experienced users. Its standout feature is the 12K resolution on a 10.1-inch monochrome screen, offering incredible detail with a 19-micron x-axis accuracy. This results in highly precise prints, making it perfect for intricate designs and fine details, such as texture in figurines or mechanical parts. The M5S also has an automatic build platform leveling feature, eliminating manual calibration and enhancing ease of use, which is a big advantage for those new to 3D printing. Additionally, the printer boasts a high-speed resin mode, allowing print speeds of up to 105 mm per hour, significantly reducing print times while maintaining quality. However, prints using the fast resin mode may have slight layer lines, though the overall detail is still impressive. The Photon Workshop software includes an intelligent mode that optimizes settings based on model complexity, further improving success rates for beginners. With its upgraded support algorithm and print status detection, it minimizes errors and material waste, making it a reliable and efficient machine for all types of users. For those looking for a high-resolution, user-friendly resin 3D printer with advanced features, the Photon Mono M5S is an excellent choice. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro is the latest advancement in the Photon Mono series, building on the success of previous models like the M5S Pro. This printer stands out with its 14K resolution, offering high-quality, crisp prints with excellent detail. One of its key features is an integrated resin vat heating system that ensures the resin is at the optimal temperature, enhancing print reliability, especially in colder environments. The autofill and recycling system, along with built-in sensors for automated checks, further improves ease of use. The print quality on the M7 Pro is impressive, as tested with a variety of models, producing sharp, smooth results on intricate designs. The large build volume, 213 by 126 by 230 mm, also accommodates bigger projects. While it performs well across the board, the heavy resin vat may be a slight downside, though the overall benefits outweigh this issue. In comparison to similar models, such as the Elegoo Saturn IV, the Photon Mono M7 Pro's intelligent features, such as resin level monitoring, autofill, and vat heating, give it a competitive edge, especially in user convenience and reliability. Number 5. Elegoo Saturn IV and Saturn IV Ultra. The Elegoo Saturn IV series, including the Saturn IV and Saturn IV Ultra, offers impressive features catering to both beginners and advanced users. The Saturn IV comes with a 12K resolution, 19 by 24 microns XY, a build volume of 218.88 by 122.88 by 220 mm, and automatic leveling, which enhances ease of use. It includes a resin shortage sensor and dual-pore spouts on the resin tank, allowing for easier resin management. The print quality is exceptional, achieving sharp details even on intricate models, making it great for hobbyists and professionals alike. The Saturn IV Ultra, on the other hand, takes things further with its AI-driven monitoring system, real-time print status tracking, and features like warp detection. It also includes advanced connectivity options like Wi-Fi and network printing. Both models come equipped with Elegoo's new tilt release technology, which improves print consistency by reducing issues related to resin adhesion. However, the Ultra version offers more premium features for professionals, including the option to use advanced resin management systems. Both models ensure high print accuracy, but the Saturn IV Ultra stands out with its advanced controls and user-friendly design improvements, making it suitable for more intensive projects.